Alright, so I know half y'all are probably like, yo, Wyatt, what the f are you doing? And then the other half is probably like, thank God. If you don't already know, for my Instagram, I'm getting rid of my bags because I'll explain in 1 second. It's the last time y'all will ever see her aired out all the way. It's the last time. Alright, so the reason I'm getting rid of the beloved bags is mainly just because the more I was doing research into what I really want to do with this car. I want it to be more of like a track car. Like after me and Mason went to the track, it really made me want to go like full big power boy and not really so much worry about like stance shit. I mean, that's cool, but just the route I want to go with this car, I think I would rather just get a solid set of coilovers. So actually, it's a funny story. Last night, got home and then it's been bobbling in my mind for a while of just switching back to coils. Ever since I got the bags, really, I mean, it looks really good and stuff, obviously aired out and shit, but I just don't know if it's the path I want to go with this car. So yeah, I ordered BC coils last night, funny enough, and then I posted on my Instagram that I was getting rid of the bags, and I posted a screenshot of me buying BC coils, and then somebody hit me up from about 2 hours down the road from me in Baltimore saying that they had brand new BC coils just chilling at their house that they were trying to get rid of. So I'm gonna head down the road in the Camry and go ahead and grab the BCs and get them in. So right now I'm ready to start taking a bunch of shit apart, like the management, and then get the wheels off and stuff, and then head down the road. Big rip in the chat. Shout out the 2 weeks I had bags. Too much, now I feel it in my gut. Tell no lie, baby, tell no lie. Too much. And we're off to Baltimore now. Hopefully I can get back in time to where I can get these finished up at a reasonable time tonight, because I do still have work tomorrow at 5. It's about a 2-hour drive down to Baltimore, and then obviously 2 back. So right now it's 4:36. So if I can get back by like 9, that would be perfect. This song goes out to my bags. Hey, on a real note, let me put y'all on right quick.
Diamond and a rough, diamond and a rough. I am dancing with the stars. I think I'm on cloud 9. I am so high.
Alright boys, bag secured.
I tell a nigga don't dick ride, don't.
Alright, little update. It's now 9:22 and we're like 10 minutes back from my house. So I will probably get home around 9:30 and then I'm gonna run for the world record coilover install. They look so nice. I've never had like a nice pair of coilovers, so I'm really interested to see the ride quality of them. Because as I said before, I was on Raceland coilovers, and then the bags obviously. So I'm pretty curious to see what the big difference is. All right, so we've made it back to the house. Wheels off. Most of the air management's out. Do a little unboxing here. So he never used them or installed or nothing. So we got everything brand spanking new. World record timing 9:33, and I'm sweating my f***ing nuts off. All in there, nice and tight. Now the one thing that sucks is I have to replace the control arms and everything from the Airlift back to OEM.
Hey, no she in love with a lust. Whoa, boy, too much, now I feel it in my gut.
Alright, so the coilovers are finally in at 118. They are in. They look so freaking clean, I cannot lie. Max the camber out over there because we're gonna need it. Finally back on the ground. Current fitment is absolutely monster truck. It's also gonna settle down after a couple drives. From there, I'm gonna dial it in tomorrow. It's 1:36 a.m. I'm ready to wake up every neighbor, but I gotta take it on a test trip. I just have to. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just enjoy this little test rip. Catch y'all tomorrow so I can get better footage. I mean, it's too dark. Well, we got BC coils and I couldn't control her and I absolutely sent her, bud. So, you know, like normal people do, have a little too fun when you get a new car part, and as you can hear, I had a little too fun. The back left tire popped and it's 2 a.m. No way anybody's up, like, to pick me up and take me back. And I just bought these tires 2 months ago, but the inside camber wears so bad. I think it was from the bags because I just rode so low all the time. But I'm literally driving 3 miles home like this. I haven't seen a single car yet, which is great because it would be really awkward, but I'm literally just driving like this. It really never ends with this car, I swear to God. Still not a single car on the road, which is great. I swear to God, if somebody pulls over and asks, hey buddy, you need help? No, motherfucker, I don't need help. Another day, another BMW. I actually found a perfect representation of what I did about 30 minutes ago. I think that clip was actually me. They just, you know, did slash day and made my car yellow. Oh my God. This is brand new over here. Alright, Alright, so it's the next day after the last clip, and I was absolutely ripping that entire night. I didn't record anything. When I was flying around last night, the Van Nuys, Illinois, the exhaust one went, which is freaking mint. So it really never ends, but on the way back from work today, I stopped by Advance and I grabbed another one. It was only $100, so. And this is the reason why I haven't uploaded it in like 8 days. It's because I've just been L after L for me this week, so send an F for respect in the comment section for your boy. I really want to do a solid POV drive video really soon once I get this car set up, because I have 4 new tires coming, and last night I went and picked up a burner set of wheels. I'm rocking some TSWs in the rear, my odd hands in the front. The only reason I did that is because I need to be able to drive around really. Dog, it's the end of the world is happening in Maryland. You know, they ain't the greatest looking, but they're gonna get me from A to B and possibly C for the rest of the week, so I might sell them right after and let me know if any of you all want it. So next video, actually, I'll probably be getting new tires and then do a POV drive. I think that's what I'll do. But I'm gonna start talking and get this Van Nuys, Illinois in real quick. I'm gonna see if I could get these off on camera. Oh, it is raining ice cubes. I have never seen this in my entire life in Maryland. Over now, but that was literally insane. I've never seen anything like that before in my life. Here's the old one, and then here's the new boy right there. It's in there now. I'm gonna give it a start up, and I'm gonna wait for the world to stop ending, and then probably take it on a little POV drive. Start it. Now, it really didn't act up until about 5K RPM, so. Well, and not even an hour later, it is completely dry outside, and that's Maryland for you. But to get a closer look at these blown tires, there's that one that really went last night, and then this one, the wire showing. So they're getting swapped over tomorrow, which you guys will see in the next video. I'm gonna go do a POV drive and hope to Jesus that the problem is solved. Here we go, fingers crossed. Still sounds like it's having the same problem. Yeah, it definitely feels like it's still having the same problem. That's so annoying. Is when I get higher RPMs, it's like breaking up and it's not full power. So maybe it's the intake Van Nuys Illinois, even though the forms with the code that I was getting said it was exhaust, but maybe it's intake. It really sucks because I just want to have this car back 100% again. And it also definitely needs an alignment. Something's still wrong with this car. It's not full power, top end. And I'm in Mexico, by the way, boys. Getting Popeyes will make you act up on the way there, baby. My butthole already sound like in 2 hours. I'm ready to take a super duty after this. Thank you.
That's your car?
Yeah.
This is nice as fuck.
Thank you.
What year is it?
2007.
2007?
Yeah.
It can't be.
I know, it looks newer, but it ain't.
That shit looks good.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Damn, the GoPro fell, but that Popeyes lady sliced my head. It's not going in limp mode like it did yesterday, though. Ooh, M4. Next car, question mark? M3, my bad. I don't know anything about BMWs. They went by me laughing. And a real quick comparison from the Raceland coils I had, BC coils and Airlift. I would say BC is definitely the best ride quality, obviously. The bags was nice, just around corners it doesn't feel as nice. Racelands were actually fine. So if you're on a budget, Raceland's perfectly fine. Like, the only reason I went with BC is because, I don't know, they're just a well-known brand and I want to go with a pretty solid set. I know Raceland are pretty controversial, but Racelands are fine. BC suspension is really the way to go as far as drivability, though, for 100%. I can tell a good difference around corners and stuff like that. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know if you guys want to see that POV drive video. And if you learned anything from this video, I hope it's that what I said in the past video, where I said if you want to attract dudes, buy this car. If you want to attract females, don't buy this car. Today we've learned a life lesson that you will now attract dudes and Popeyes workers. So other than that, follow me on social media. Check out Shop Webby's adding a bunch of new BMW car stuff every single day. Got wheels on there. Check it out. Appreciate all the recent orders. We've been doing pretty solid on the website recently, which I appreciate. Yeah, so road to 5K, and follow me on Instagram, follow me on all that fun stuff. Get you on for that.
I'm the same motherfucker in a bird, Georgia chains, motherfucker. I'm not fucking